Alright, hello everybody. I'm just going to show you a quick look at my home project, which is currently being called Voxel Save. And this is alpha version 0.510. And I am the lead programmer and I've been doing a lot of stuff and lots of work. And whenever we get the website up, I'll go ahead and put that in the description. Until then, I will put my Steam name, my Twitch name, and my Skype name in there so y'all can shoot me a message if need be. And for y'all not shooting a message on here because I don't check YouTube this often, just go ahead and send me a message on that. Don't know why my voice changes whenever I try to do a video. It was just doing 5 minutes testing. Alright. Alright. So before version 0.15, we did not have these kind of filler models. I just made these really quick so I got tired of staring at cubes. So just kind of ignore those horrible models. This game is going to be a RTS city builder with RPG elements set in a voxel world. So this basically means that it's basically what happened if Age of Empires, Minecraft, and what's the other one? Sorry, I can't remember the other one. We had like a little list where they gave 3 games that it would be like if it did, maybe. Oh, Civilized Civilization. Sorry about that. It's basically it incorporates almost from all of them, and then add some more. So as you look around the world here, you can see our resources, our ground, of course, small resources, and several little cubes and little models. Real quick to make these easier to see, I'm just going to change these back to cubes. And I believe I have to, yep. Just for a moment. No, there's that, and then let's move them up a tab. That way they don't fall to the wall. Alright. So let's just start showing you what it is. Alright, so you can see we have a camera that you can move with your WASD keys. And there are buttons on here that you can use to tell your units what to do, among other things. So we have our gather resources button, which means that when I have a unit subject, I can click it and click a resource and use for gathering the resource. But they will only do that whenever you have a stockpile placed. So I can go here, I can click my stockpile, and I can place it. So let's do 1 stone with a wood stockpile. Let's tell Joe here. Tell him why not true. So it's Peter. The old ones are many uses. As I said, this is still an alpha. And these old ones. Tell him to go mine that quarry, even though he probably won't complete it. Also ignore the lantern inside his head. That's because of the other model. But as you can see, whenever certain conditions apply, they will equip different objects that are in their inventory. And for example, whenever it gets dark, Joe here, since he has a lantern, will equip the lantern, which will allow him to move faster than they would in the dark. Because different stimuli will cause the AI for pretty much everything to change. So right now, what I'm currently working on is buildings, so that whenever it starts raining, people that are still civilians will go inside and take shelter. So there are different jobs for each unit, of course. So since he is right here mining this tree, chopping down this tree, and there's a arrow right there, he will be called a lumberjack, and then he will be a miner. Of course, this is building. As you can see here, we have a variable weather AI that also changes the weather, and currently we have four types of weather. There we go. There's sunny, and overcast, kind of cloudy, which kind of makes it dark. Not, yeah, just makes it dark as y'all saw before. I say rain. Okay, rain, snow, cloudy, and sunny. Now, it chooses the intensity and the duration for each weather and defines it randomly. So we'll see Joe. We'll go over here to this tree stump since he finished mining it, and he'll go to the next closest tree. There he goes. Now he starts chopping down that. Of course, you can tell your units to go where you want. Wherever you want to. That's not English with the game, that's actually with my computer, because my mouse just died, and it doesn't like being left with it. Alright, so I'll tell him to attack this deer here, and now he just basically tracks the deer and goes to attack it. I'll select the deer here so you can see its health. As you can see, as he's following it around, the health will go down whenever he gets close enough to attack it. And you can see the deer here will run around and wander. And you'll see here whenever the turn target at that exact point, the hunter will immediately go home after he gets his kill, which at the moment, since there's no buildings, his home is his spawn point. So now he'll go here, which is where he spawned, and if he were to, whenever we put storage into the game, which is what I'm working on right now, as I said, the buildings, he will go to wherever the food storage is and place the food that he gets from animals he kills. So like the deer meat, which I can show you. He does have deer meat in his inventory. Is that Cleveland? So you can go down here and see it's 2 deer meat. You get anywhere from 1 to 3 meat. And then whenever we start getting armor and everything in, the deer will also possibly start dropping their skin. So be able to use the skin to craft leather. Or even without crafting to leather, you'll be able to create armor for your units, which will make them stronger. As you can see, for some reason it does not like the ground, so you can't color, so you can't really see where one's not there. You can see the snow. And right now I have the snow, all the weather set to where they all will work on this map, just to showcase everything, even though that this is not a snowy map. So whenever it is a snowy map, it will snow, and will it'll be very, very unlikely that it will rain. Since here they're over here chopping away. Okay. They're running back because they don't like going through there apparently. No, they're not going to mine because I told them to move. He is actually chopping away at those, mining away at those. Alright. We do have issues with that sometimes. So now that we've used what we have for the gather tab and our build tab, which will right now only places these stone and wood, and this will pop up with a new UI or allow you to place wood and everything like that. We showcased the attack UI, and then cancel UI for full cancel whatever button you press. So now we'll check out this banner here, which is our township options. As you can see, we have the name of our town, and you can't set the set amendment, and you cannot set the interior units yet, because I just haven't put that in yet, because it's not too terribly important at the moment. As you can see here, your units have happiness and hunger, and right now the only way that the hunger will go down, well, the hunger goes down constantly, and happiness will go down as the hunger increases. So as you can see here, we actually have 10 hunger, so our people would be almost dead by now. But if we close this tab out and check it in, say, 30 seconds or so, the happiness should be down. So whenever you click on this tab, it does pause the game. So I can show you all that. Move. Thank you. So now we can pause it, and he does start moving. Evidently, his happiness is still at 9, and the hunger is at 10. I'm still getting all the kinks worked out with that. And it should be going down here pretty soon. Then let's go down to our town color. As here, we can click this, and it will change the banner color, which is your town color. Let's just go to the green right now, happy green. And whenever you do choose this green, any of the banners that are throughout the town will turn to green, and the armor for the units will turn to green if that's applicable. Still have 9 happiness. Alright, still, yeah, as I said, still working on those things. Alright, that's all. I mean, that's most of the features right now, other than this mini map here. Yeah, I did not show the menu, and I can show that real quick. I'll just go ahead and save that real quick, and I'll load that up. And that's right. So we're hoping to get this a public alpha released by May 17th. That is 3 weeks from this Friday, tomorrow. And we are adding features every day. A version number is going up at least by 0.0.1. Sorry, I still get used to version. Every day we're having at least one bug fix or feature every day. You can see it randomly generates the trees and whatnot. And you are as a unit in here. And you have your help, so you have your movement, how to move a unit, and create a stock file, and then your credits. Which I do not have everyone in here at the moment because not everyone has actually worked on it. Well, they've worked on it, there's nothing in it at the moment. And then as you can see it start, and I'll load up the load. Yeah, your units will level up and get XP as they do things. And whenever they level up, their health will increase, damage, speed, that kind of thing. Yeah, hope to hear y'all's opinion and what y'all feel about the game, what y'all want in the game, and what y'all think needs to be fixed in the game. Other than what, bugs, that kind of thing. So bugs got to be fixed. But we're hoping to get alpha version 1 up as the public alpha release on May 17th. And we will be starting a Kickstarter and hopefully a marketing campaign 10 days before that on May 7th. I believe that is a Wednesday. Yes, that is a Wednesday. That is, I said tomorrow. I thought it was Thursday. What is Thursday? Gotta keep this map. is 1 week from today. God, sorry. So let's see your guys' opinions and try to make this game better for y'all. And hey, if y'all like it, y'all like what you'll see, tell your friends, get them to like it. The more fan base we have, the more people would put into the game and more donations we get on Kickstarter and whatever like that, the better we can make the game and more platforms we can publish the game to. And we're hoping to get this game on Steam, but at the moment, to get that on Steam, we'd have to even possibly get it on Steam, we'd have to pay $100. So, yeah, it all depends on you guys. So, check the links in the description. Ask any questions if y'all need to. And talk to y'all then. I'll try to be doing updates here. I'll post them and whatnot. Maybe bi-daily, every other day. Bi-daily. Yeah. See y'all.